today's Wednesday. It is 9:02 in the morning. Today we're going to Magic Kingdom, but everybody's not like together today, so we didn't get like an early start or anything like that. So you know how that's about to go. Everybody's kind of just still laying down, eating breakfast, and I'm about to get ready. Alright, so it's actually 11 o'clock, and we just left the house. So that's great.
Tell them why. Don't act on it.
It had absolutely nothing to do with me. Period.
Lies.
Oh, the car seat's on. That's alright. Oh yeah. So we're just leaving, and now we're going to Animal Kingdom. It turns out everybody actually is going together, like one day. So that's great. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay. So we just got here, and it's 11:30, and as usual, everybody's way back there, and as usual, Kiara's the ringleader, and I'm always strong second. The park was super duper far, and now we're about to walk super duper far into the park, so that's great. I'm pretty sure he's trying to make it say Thanksgiving. The question is that T gonna disappear before the rest of the word is finished? Alright guys, I'm just gonna assume they're making my name and walk away before he finishes that letter. Alright, if it was anybody but Jesus, I wouldn't take it back, but it says thank you Jesus, so it's definitely about Jesus, not about me. You guys obviously can't smell it, but it smells like a cookout, like hot dogs and stuff, and I imagine this is what Wakanda smells like.
Related to the draft, okay? And now we can tell the difference between a male and a female is that males are darkened in color, one's fully matured. Now right over here, this little baby giraffe, that is the baby giraffe here on our reserve. She is about 4 months old. Now speaking of the baby giraffe for just a moment, does anyone on this truck have...
Oh my god!
Now this one's doing red or blue when it does become excited. Over here on the right hand side, that is the African elephant. There's a little bit of mud, dirt, and sand on their backs, and that's going to end there's a sunblock. So that's how they are going to eat and drink water, and they can drink about 40 gallons. Over here on the right hand side, that brown animal with those little horns, that is known as a Bonty Bach. Unfortunately, they are very close to it's literally looking right at me. Did anyone else see that? No, Bonty Bachs are very close to extinction, so any chance you guys get to see this here on a reserve exactly. A little too tired from being king or working on his rower. But as you guys can tell, not only does the lion sleep tonight, they'll sleep during the day as well. Now right over here on the right hand side, those giant yellow eggs, those are ostrich eggs. Each one weighs about 3 pounds. Now ostrich eggshells are so
Alright, post-Avatar ride thoughts.
It was amazing. It was amazing. So, it was like we outside, but like we like also in the road.
Oh my god. I don't know who that is. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I don't know what we're watching. Who are those people? Dang, I forgot what time it was. I just looked. I'm gonna say it's 9:30-ish, right?
Right now?
Yeah.
10 o'clock.
Okay, I lied. It's 10 o'clock. And we just got in from the park, and we are eating Hooters.
Would anybody like some,
Okay. I I will pass on the pretzels.
You haven't really had a good birthday, have you?
Oh, they look so good. So that is it for this day 3 vlog, and I will see you guys on Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Why don't you, like, when you make